Snowflakes falling soft and white, kitchen's glowing warm and bright. Got my apron tied up neat, time to make a Christmas tree. First a little bit of sugar, make it sweet. Whisk until the butter's light and beat. Spices in the air, a happy sound. Cinnamon and nutmeg all around. Smells just like the holidays are here. Oh, stirring up some Christmas cheer. The best recipe of the year. Baking magic full of fun. For everyone, for everyone. A taste of joy for all to share. Kitchen smells so